If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation, then the equation will be of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. When f of x is divided by x minus alpha, the factor x minus alpha, then the remainder is f of alpha. The quotient is 3x square plus 5x plus 17 and the remainder is 52 for the given equation. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now today in this session I am going to teach very important concept, that is finding the roots of a quadratic or a cubic equation by synthetic division methods. Now let us come to the cubic equation first. What is a cubic equation? An equation of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Any equation of degree 3, x power is 3, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is called a cubic equation. That is an equation of degree 3 of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, where a, b, c, d are all real constant is called a cubic equation. So a cubic equation has exactly 3 roots. Has 3 roots. A cubic equation has 3 roots. Suppose if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of a cubic equation, then it will be of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0, where alpha, beta, gamma are called the roots of the equation. So if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation, then the equation will be of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. These are the factors. X minus alpha, x minus beta and x minus gamma are the factors. So if you simplify this, x minus alpha is equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to alpha is a root. Similarly, x is equal to beta is a root. X minus gamma is equal to 0 means x is equal to gamma is also a root. So now let us know regarding this factor theorem, factorization theorem. Factors theorem. What is the factor theorem states? If x is equal to alpha is a root, if x is equal to alpha is a root of an equation, then x minus alpha is the factor of the given equation. Similarly, if x minus beta is a root, then x minus beta is also a factor. Similarly, if x is equal to gamma is the root of an equation, then x minus gamma is also the factor. So that means if x is equal to alpha is the root of an equation, then x minus alpha is called the factor of the given equation. Now this is very important concept. Now let us know regarding the remainder theorem. Remainder, you might have been studied regarding the remainder theorem. So when f of x is divided by x minus alpha, the factor x minus alpha, then the remainder is f of alpha. So when a cubic polynomial is divided by one of its factor, then the equation will be quadratic and the remainder will be equal to 0. So therefore the cubic polynomial is equal to factors into quotient. Cubic polynomial is always equal to the factors into quotient will give the cubic polynomial, right? Now suppose for example, if 3, 4 and 5 are the roots of a cubic equation, then the cubic equation is of the form x minus 3, that is x minus alpha, x minus 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is nothing but x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. So these are called as the factors. Now let us come to the problem. What is the problem given? By synthetic division, find the quotient and the remainder when 2x cube minus 5x square minus 32x plus 6 is divided by x minus rho. So here this x minus 3 is a factor. X minus 3 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 3 is a root. By synthetic division, the multiplier is 3. Now just write down the coefficient of x cube in the first line. Write down the coefficient of x cube, that is 2, and x square minus 5 minus 32 and 6. So just write down the coefficients of the given equation x cube, x square, x and constant in the first line. Suppose if any term is missing, then the coefficient is 0. Now just write down 0 below which Okay, now what are the factors? Since x is equal to 3 is the factor, add this. 2 plus 0 is 2. Just write down the coefficients of x cube, x square, x and constant. Just below which first number, write down 0 below the first number. Add this. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Multiply with this x value. Multiply with 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Add 6 minus 5 is 1. Again multiply with 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So just add minus 32 plus 3 is minus 29. It is minus 29. Again multiply with 3. Minus 29 into 3 is minus 87. Minus 87. Add this. If you add 87 and 6, you will get minus 81. So therefore this is the remainder and these are the quotient. So therefore the quotient is the quotient. What is to find is the quotient. Quotient is equal to, just the reduced equation is 2x square plus x minus 29 is equal to 0. This is the reduced equation. That is, this is x square, x and constant. That is nothing but 2x square plus x minus 29 is equal to 0. And the remainder is equal to minus 81. The remainder is 81. This is how we are going to find the remainder and quotient by the method of a synthetic division. Okay, that's it. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the quotient and remainder obtained by dividing 3x cube minus 4x square plus 2x plus 1 by x minus 3. Same type problem. Here what is given? X minus 3 is a factor which implies x is equal to 3. Now just write down the coefficients of the given equation. The coefficient of x cube is 3, minus 4, plus 2 and plus 1. Write down the coefficient of the given equation in the first line. So below the first number write down 0. Now what are the factor given? X is equal to 3 is a factor. Just add this. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 3s are 9. See? Write down the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant of the given equation. Since what is the factor? X is equal to 3 is the factor. Below the first number just write 0. Add this. 3 plus 0 is 3. Multiply with this number. 3 into 3 is 9. Again add 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Add 15 plus 2 is 17. Again 17 into 3. 17 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51. Add this. So if you add, how much you will get? 51 plus 1 is 52. This is the remainder. So this is the remainder and the quotient is 3x square plus 5x plus 17 is equal to 0. The depressed equation. The reduced equation is quadratic equation 3x square plus 5x plus 7 and the remainder is 52. So therefore this is the reduced equation. So therefore the quotient, what is the remainder and the quotient? So the quotient is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 17 is equal to 0. This is the quotient. And the remainder, what is the remainder? 52 is the remainder. So therefore the quotient is 3x square plus 5x plus 17 and the remainder is 52 for the given equation. That's it. Okay. This method is called synthetic division method. Let us come to the next problem. Form the cubic equation whose roots are. So as I told in the beginning itself, so if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, then the equation is of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0 is called a cubic equation. Here what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 5 and gamma is equal to 7. Therefore the required equation is, the cubic equation is x minus 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. If you simplify, you are going to get a cubic equation. That's it. Okay, 1 mark question. This is for 1 mark. If you want, you can simplify this. So how to simplify this? Multiply this. X into x is x square, x into 5 is 5x, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this can be written as x square minus 5x minus 3x is minus 8x plus 15 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. And again multiply with x minus 7. So x into x square is x cube minus 8x square plus 15x minus 7 into x square is 7x square. Again minus into minus plus, 8 into 7 56x, and this is minus into plus, it is minus 15 into 7, 15 sevens are 105 is equal to 0. Put it in order, what you will get? The required equation is x cube minus 8x square minus 7x square is minus 15x square, Again, what you will get? 56 and 15, 56 and 15, 6 plus 5 is 1. Again 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 71. That is plus 71x minus 105 is equal to 0. That's all. This is the required equation. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. So what is the answer? X cube minus 15x square plus 71x minus 105 is equal to 0. So therefore the cubic equation is x cube minus 15x square plus 71x minus 105 is equal to 0. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Same type problem. Find the cubic equation whose roots are minus 1, 4 and 6. Now what is given here? Alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 4 and gamma is equal to 6. The equation is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. That is x minus, what is alpha? Minus into minus plus 1, x minus beta is 4 into x minus gamma is equal to 6 is equal to 0. Simplify these two. See here, x into x is x square, minus 4 into x is 4x, plus 1 into x is x, plus into minus 4 into this is as it is, x minus 6 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus 4x plus x is minus 3x minus 4 into the remaining term is x minus 6. Just multiply with x first. X square into x is x cube minus 3x square minus 4x. Again minus 6x square, minus into minus plus, 6 3s are 18x, minus into minus plus, 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. Put it in order. X cube minus 3x square minus 6x square is minus 9x square. Then what are the terms remaining? 18x minus 4x is plus 14x and plus 24 is equal to 0, which is the required answer. That's it. This is the cubic equation. Okay. Hope you followed. Therefore, the required equation is, the required cubic equation whose roots are minus 1, 4 and 6 is x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. So if you solve, you will get minus 1, 4 and 6 as the roots for this equation. That's it. Now let us come to the next type of problem. Find the integral root between minus 3 and plus 3 by inspection, and then using synthetic division solve the following quadratic equation. Now here what is to find is, first find out the integral root between minus 3 and plus 3. Just find out one root which lies between minus 3 and plus 3. Using that root, just using the synthetic division method, find out the remaining two roots. That's it. Now the root lies between minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. The root between minus 3 and plus 3. Let us consider by inspection method. Put x is equal to minus 1, because minus 1 is in minus 3 and plus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 1, then this given equation becomes minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 9 into minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 1 whole cube is minus square is plus into plus, it is plus, again minus 9 plus 4 is equal to 0. Add the terms which contains plus 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is a root. This is by inspection method. Now by inspection method, just take x is equal to minus 1 which lies between minus 3 and plus 3. See, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let us take x is equal to minus 1 by inspection method. So if x is equal to minus 1 satisfies the given equation, then definitely x is equal to minus 1 is a root by inspection method. So substitute here, x is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 9 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 square is plus 1 into 6 is 6. again minus into plus, it is minus plus 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 9 minus 1 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a root. Now then, using synthetic division, solve the following equation. So remaining two equations are to be determined using the synthetic method. So just by synthetic division, convert the cubic equation into second order equation, that is quadratic equation, then solve it. That's it. Now, so what are the roots? Now by synthetic division, I'll write the equation: x cube plus 6x square plus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, what is the method to solve using synthetic division? Write down the coefficients in the first line. Coefficient of x cube is 1, x square is 6, x is 9 and the constant is 4. Write down the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant in the first line. Below the first line write 0, add this. Just what is the root? Since x is equal to minus 1 is a root. So add 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Write down the coefficient in the first line and then below the first number just write down 0. Now add this to 1 plus 0 is 1. Now multiply with this root. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now add 6 minus 1 is 5. Again 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Add 9 minus 5 is 4. Again 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Add 0. Suppose if this is a root, definitely the remainder will be 0. In the previous problem, we got the remainder as different. If the factor is a root, if x is equal to minus 1 is a root, then definitely you will get the remainder as a 0. So therefore, the reduced equation is, what is the reduced equation? X square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this by the method of substitutions or by the method of formula, using formula or substitution method, or by the method of factorization. You can simplify this quadratic equation. Let us solve this. X square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This can be solved by the method of factorization. So 1 into 4 is 4. 4 can be factorized as 1 4s are 4. This is plus and plus. So this can be, the factors are x square plus x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the factors are x and 4x. So we can write the given equation: x square plus 5x plus 4 can also be written as x square plus x plus 4x plus 4. Now what is the common factor? X is the common factor. Then this can be written as x plus 1. Here what is the common factor? 4 is the common factor. Then this is x plus 4. So in these two, x plus 4 is the common factor. So x plus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 4 are the roots for this quadratic equation. In general, therefore, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 4 are the roots of given cubic equation. Minus 1 and minus 4 are the roots for the given cubic equation. So for this equation, the roots are minus 1 and minus 4. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. This is the method to find the roots by synthetic division method. Very simple and very important for the point of examination. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the integral root between minus 3 and plus 3. So the root between minus 3 and plus 3 for the equation x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus 60. Now let us consider by inspection method. Now put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, then this becomes 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 28 into 2 plus 60. This is equal to 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 3 into 2 square is 4, minus 28 into 2, 28 into 2, that is multiplied, 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 28 into 2 is 56, plus 60. Now what is this equal to? 8 minus 4 3s are 12, minus 56 plus 60. So 60 plus 8 is 68, and minus 56 minus 12 is minus 68. Minus 68 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a root. That means x minus 2 is a factor. x minus 2 is a factor. So x is equal to 2 is a root means x minus 2 is a factor. Now just apply the synthetic division to find the roots of this. So one root is x is equal to 2 is one root. X is equal to 2 is one root of this equation. Now find out the remaining two roots by the method of synthetic division. Now by synthetic division method, let me write the equation. X cube minus 3x square minus 28x plus 60 is equal to 0. Write down the coefficients of x cube, x square, x and constant in the first line. Coefficient of x cube is 1, x square is minus 3, x is minus 28 and 60. Below which write 0. And what is the root? We got x is equal to 2 is the root. Just add this. 1 plus 0 is 1. Multiply with the root. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Again 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Add this. Minus 28 minus 2 is minus 30. Again minus 30 into 2 is minus 60. Add this is equal to 0. So definitely if x is equal to 2 is a root, the remainder will be always equal to 0. So therefore the reduced equation is, that is a depressed equation, is x square minus x minus 30 is equal to 0. That's it. X square minus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation, you will get the remaining two roots. That's it. Okay. Now this can be solved using factorization method. X square minus x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square coefficient is 1 into minus 30. Minus 30 can be factorized as minus 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. So therefore this can be written as x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 is equal to 0. See here, minus 6x plus 5x is minus x. So here you can take x common factor, x minus 6 plus 5 common factor, x minus 6. 6 5s are 30. In these two, x minus 6 is the common factor, x plus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. If x minus 6 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 6, here x is equal to minus 5. So therefore minus 5 and 6 are the roots for this quadratic equation. Are the roots. So therefore what is the first root? X is equal to 2. Therefore 2 comma 6 comma minus 5 are the roots of given equation. So for the given equation the roots are 2, 6 and minus 5. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. So therefore the roots for the given equation, for this the roots are, what are the roots? 2 comma minus 5 comma 6 are the roots for the given equation. That's it. 2 minus 5 and 6. That's it. Okay. So that's regarding how to solve a cubic equation. Once if one root is known, other root can be determined by the method of a synthetic division. Any degree equation can be solved using the method of a synthetic division. Okay. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with different type of problems in the next session. Thank you very much.